Hi, this is Brian Benoit, the product manager for the Baxter Research Robot. And in this video, we're going to walk you through setting up Baxter from a hardware perspective. So the expectation here is that Baxter has been removed from its crate and it's attached to a pedestal, either the one supplied that you can buy through Rethink or any pedestal that you have in your lab, like a workbench. So the first thing you want to do is get Baxter's arms out of its shipping pose. So to do this, have one person hold the shoulder in place, the bottom joint, and move the other arm around through the top. Of course, Baxter is not powered on at this point, so you have to use a little bit of force to move the joints around, but if you do it very slowly, you should have no problem. What we're doing here is getting Baxter ready to be enabled. Having its arms in this position makes it much easier to do some initial movements without having to worry about getting it out of shipping pose. So once you go over the top, you can just let Baxter's arms settle into a comfortable position and you're ready to go. So once you have their arms in the right position, go into the back of the robot and connect your cords. So the first cord to connect is the power cable. So connect that in the appropriate spot. Next, grab your emergency stop button, connect that into the appropriate port. Now it's also really important to make sure that the button is not engaged. So once it's connected, turn the button around and make sure that it's in the disengaged position where the button is basically out, as you can see in the video. So it should look like that as disengaged. Finally, connect your Ethernet port. That's going to connect Baxter to the developer's workstation, and you're good to go. So once these three are connected, press the power button, and Baxter will turn on and start to boot. So you'll see a couple of Baxter's lights on its wrist and its head light up, finally the screen. And we're going to fast forward the video a bit here to 3x because it takes a little while to boot, a couple of minutes. So you'll see the sonar buttons on the head will start to light up and the Rethink logo will appear on the screen. So what you're waiting for here is the little green ring around Baxter's head to turn on. When that's complete, you know that Baxter is ready to go. So your next step is to get Baxter connected to the developer's workstation. Please refer to the next video or the Baxter Research Robot wiki for instructions on how to do this.